The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Cleveland County in central Oklahoma, northern McClain County in central Oklahoma, until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over southern Norman, or near Noble, moving east at 15 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 2-inch hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Southeastern Oklahoma City, Norman, Noble, Goldsby, Stella, Lake Thunderbird, and Little Axe. The storm is producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area.